A kiss. Who bought a new car? Carlos bought a new car. Was it colored by? Carlos buy a new car. This Carlos buy a new car or an old car? Carlos buy a new car. This Carlos buy a new car? No, Carlos bought a new car. This Carlos buy a new train? No, Carlos bought a new car. What's very fancy? And it's good car. Who car was expensive? Carlos's car. Was the car cheap? No, the car was expensive. Was that expensive? No, the car was expensive. Was my car expensive? Yes, my car was expensive. Was the bicycle expensive? No, the bicycle was cheap. Was a huge, blue and fast car? Um, it this were huge. This were car. This were huge, blue and fast car. How was the car? Car is very expensive. It's huge, blue and fast car. Was car small? No. It was huge. Was car yellow? No. It was blue car. Was car huge, blue and slow? No. The car huge, blue and fast. Was the bus huge, blue and fast? Yes, the bus huge, blue and fast. Why driving down the street? What's this color see? While driving down the street, Carlos saw a gun on bicycle. Who saw a gun? Carlos saw a gun. Where was the gun? The gun's on bicycle. This Carlos saw see a gun while eating none. No, Carlos saw a gun while driving down the street. This Carlos see his girlfriend? No, Carlos saw the gun on bicycle. This Carlos see a dog? No, Carlos saw a gun. Was guns working? No, the gun on bicycle. How does it look nice? She has long blonde hair and beautiful. Who's the beautiful? Gun. Does it have short hair? No, the gun has long blonde hair. Does it have low hair? No, she has long blonde hair. Does Santum have low hair? No, Santum has long hair. Was it Ori? No, she was beautiful. Were you worried? No. Were Carlos beautiful? No, Carlos. Were her hair blonde black blue? No. Were Carlos' hair long and blonde? No. What was wearing? She wearing a suitable. What's the cholesterol? Cholesterol. What's up? Guza, what's up? Cholesterol, what's up? Good is cholesterol to what's up? Cholesterol to the gun, what's up? This hero, I love you. Hello, Joe. What's up? This is John. Hello, baby. No, he's down. What's up? This gun down. What's how? No. Carlos John to her. What's up? This he whisper. What's up? No, he's down. What's up? This is down. What's up to a dog? No, he's down. What's up to gun? Who is not Carlos? And girl's long blonde hair. Does she ignore him? Yes, they ignore him. Does she listen to him? No, she ignore him. Does Carlos ignore her? No, the girl ignore him. This what's this the girl do? The girl the girl what's this the girl do? The girl's on bicycle. What's this Carlos Zhao after that? Carlos Zhao, how's it going? Who's Zhao, how's it going? Carlos Zhao, how's it going? This gun Zhao, how's it going? No. Carlos Zhao, how's it going? This Carlos Zhao, I hate you. No. Carlos Zhao, how's it going? This Carlos Cream, how's it going? No. Carlos Zhao, how's it going? This is Coach Gun. No. His job's good. Who kept going, his gun kept going and ignored him.